In this lecture, we are going to download a Windows 10 ISO installation file from Microsoft. An ISO file is a disk image that can emulate a CD or DVD. This file cannot be natively opened on Windows, but VirtualBox will be able to read the ISO and get the window installation files from the ISO file. It's important for you to realize that I'm doing this from my host computer and not from a virtual machine. To download Windows 10, open your preferred web browser on your host computer and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type in Windows 10 Download Tool. We will see the Microsoft Software Downloads page that allows us to download the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Open this page, and once the page loads, click the Download Now button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, launch the installer file. Once the installation has begun, accept the license terms. On the following screen, you want to select Create Installation Media for another PC and choose Next. On the next screen, you can leave the default settings, or if you want, you could customize them by unchecking the Use the recommended options for this PC checkbox. I'm going to leave them at the default setting and click Next. On the next screen, choose the ISO file checkbox. This option allows us to download an ISO file that we can later mount to a VM and use to install Windows 10. Click Next and choose where you want to save the new ISO file. I recommend that you change the name from windows.iso to something like windows10.iso. We don't want to be confused between this ISO and our Windows Server ISO later on down the road. Click Save, and now we need to simply wait for the download to finish. That's all we're going to do in this lecture. Great job, and I will see you in the next one.